Hi, I'm Dave, and this is DG Overlanding. Senyati is just outside Kazangula, Kasani, which is near Chobe. Right, I'm going into Senyati. Thick sand, it says. Keep right. There's the trailer, Pajero, and here is my private ablution. I'm at site number 3. So hot water is provided by a donkey boiler. They've just lit the fire. They light the fire in the evening and in the morning, and you get superb hot water from the fire. It's got a shower, it's got a toilet, it's got water, electricity. So in here is the shower. So there's a basin with a mirror, and then on the other side there's a sliding door, and in here is a lovely big shower where you get hot water from the donkey. Hooks, there's a cabinet, there's hooks, there's another cabinet over there, place for your towel, more hooks on this side, and then the door. Outside here is a sink. Hot water comes from the donkey as well. Electric power, the normal South African 3-prong plug. Plugs in there. And then on the other side, there is a toilet. Basin. And a normal flush toilet. Very nice. As you can see, there's quite a bit of shade. So there's big trees here providing shade all around. We have dirt bins as well. So the sites are quite far apart. You're not going to get too much noise. So there's my private ablution, my boma, and my setup. Down the bottom is a water hole and a deck and a bar. So I'm going to go down to the water hole now and see what's happening. They also have absolutely lovely chalets. I've stayed in a chalet before here and they're superb. Zambia, that's where I'm off to, 10 kilometers away. So this is the reception, and this is the shop as well. They do offer quite a few activities. We've been to Victoria Falls from here before and we had a wonderful time. Here's the deck. So there's a nice downstairs area, and this goes to a that takes you to a viewpoint right by the water hole. Takes you to that piece of cement there. At the bottom you can look out. Right, this just goes upstairs. Right, from the deck at Senyati. Nothing here at the moment. We have seen hyena here before, and elephants of course, giraffe. Right, one elephant just arrived. Hopefully some more will come. That little round thing in the middle has got fresh water pumping out. That's why they go there, likes the fresh water. Yeah, right, here's the swimming pool. Nice path up it, up to the pool. So here's the pool. Nice decks, chairs. There's the pool. Okay, Deniken Game Reserve and Kyleu Bush Camp. No fences. We came through a fence where reception is, and then out the other side again into the unfenced bush camp area. And this is our site here. We're at number 9. Ablution facilities are over there. And there's quite a big area on this side that's still available. My brother's coming in later on with his Invader. They'll be camping over there somewhere. They give you 1 bag of wood per day at the site, which is very nice. There's a fire pit and a braai. The braai is quite nice because you can move it around. Our solar panel, there's no electric power at Kyleu. Over here is the gas geyser, which has been preset. It supplies lovely hot water. Scullery area for washing dishes, etc. Inside is the toilet, flush toilet, a basin for doing your teeth and everything else you need to do. A nice, lovely mirror on the side. And over here is a fantastic shower. Really is good. Hot water. And the nice thing is it's open at the top. So while you're having a shower, you can have a look around and see if there's any animals on the outside. Don't forget it's unfenced, so there could be anything roaming around. Really could be. Rubbish bin for all your rubbish, and then on the outside there's a fire hose reel as well, just in case it's needed. It's quite a big tree. Very nice at Kyleu. The dirt road in is also not too bad at all. It's a little bit more corrugated than it was, but it's fine. Hi, I'm Dave. This is DG Overlanding. If you're enjoying our videos, why don't you subscribe to our channel on YouTube? That is DG Overlanding on YouTube, and that's exactly where you are at the moment if you're watching this.